Alright guys, I'm at 31,655 miles on my Honda Ridgeline, and it's time to do an oil change. I'm gonna pop the hood and we're gonna start doing this. I've got a fumoto valve on it. I am at, let's see, what does it say information wise? Oh, why is it not showing? Oil life 50%. Okay, so I go about to 50% and then I change it just because. Let's do it. All right guys, so here's the oil filter housing, and you can actually see my fumoto valve right down there next to below the oil filter. This is for the Ridgeline. Now it's easy to access. All I did was turn my wheel all the way to the right. Okay, so I'm gonna go in there, loosen that up, and we'll be on the way. All right guys, so under my truck, there's my fumoto valve. It's right up there. Okay, so all I have to do is open that up, and the oil's gonna come flowing out. And then right next to it is the filter. So let's see if I can do this one-handed. Gosh. Let's see, where am I? There we go. Pull off the safety pin, and there's this little thing right there. All I do is go to the right, real quick. There's the oil. I'm gonna reach in there, and you know what? I did not over tighten this, so it's gonna be easy for me to make a mess. Come on, guys, make that mess. There's that mess. It's coming out. It's dripping. You can hear it. Isn't that a great engineering design? I mean, come on, Honda. Really? That's as good as you guys could do. Good God. Freaking oil everywhere every time you do your oil changes. Yes, I know. There's funnels. There's plastic garbage bags. I was too lazy to do any of those. But, here we go. I could even wear a glove so I don't get cancer from all this crazy stuff. But hey, you know what? It's done. It's over with. That's how you do an oil change, guys. I don't need any tools, which I love. All I have to do is screw on a new one and close the fumoto valve. If you look closely, it's still draining. Right down there. You see that? It's still draining the fumoto valve. So I'm going to go get me a new oil filter, guys. I'm going to be using this stuff. I got Lucas oil and some Valvoline and an OEM Honda filter. Now you guys can do whatever you want. I like to use a little thicker oil. So what I'll do is, I'm trying to do this one-handed here, guys, so bear with me. Okay, so she's on, and all I have to do is tighten it, and that's it. And then I just close off the fumoto valve, and I'm done. And then I put in the new oil. I'm not going to over tighten it because it's a pain in the butt to take out if you do. So just snug is good. And make sure you take a big towel and wipe all that oil that came down. You know, fun stuff. That's it. Tell me what you think. I was actually thinking about, honestly, leaving the old oil filter on and then just change the oil only and leave the filter on. So I didn't have to jack the truck up or anything like that. It makes it really easy to do it this way. Just turn the wheel to the right all the way, and you'll be able to access the filter over there. And I cut out the plastic. I know some people are saying don't do that, it's to protect the engine parts. Yeah, you know, I wanted easier access, but you guys can do whatever makes you happy. The fumoto valve is actually still draining. Let's see, you can see it. It's actually still draining down there. So I'm gonna give it a couple minutes and then I'll close off the valve. There it is, fumoto valve, still draining. Be right back. All right, here's the fumoto valve. I'm gonna shut it off. All you do is move this lever in the off position, and it's off. Take this little blue safety, put that on just like that. Clip goes on just like that. And we're done. All right, fellas, I just got done 31,655 miles. I'm gonna reset the oil. So you go to settings, go to vehicle, go to maintenance information, reset. Okay, so oil life is at 50%. That's when I personally like to do my oil changes. It's about 5,000 miles once I get to that mark. So I'm gonna hit reset. Yes, reset. Done, okay? Maintenance information has been reset. So when I go over here to the information, now it says oil life 100%. I am good until, oh gosh, 37,000 miles. All right, so at 37,000 miles, probably in about 2 months, I'll be doing another oil change and should be good to go. All right, so she's running good. I'm gonna go close the hood. Give it a thumbs up, guys. You can obviously tell it's running great. I'm hoping that she lasts for a long time. So that's the vehicle, and she's running good. I actually spilled a little bit of oil right there. So one thing I recommend is when you put the funnel in there, put some paper towels around it in case you accidentally spill it. That's it, over and out.